Today, I will act like a mature adult. See? Discipline. Control. Class. Today, I will act like a mature adult.
Don't look at it. Don't look at it.
I am stronger than the squeak! Hey, who squeaked? Hey, help da! Nostach, you squeaked! Hey! That reaction did not count.
Who dared? I'm ready for battle! Wait, it's just the mailman?
Next time, I'll be more prepared.
Still mature, just fast. I told you, I'm mature, just fast. Mature people make statements. I'm not mature. Lied. This is who I am. Maturity is overrated. I'm just being me. And that's fine. Right? If this made you laugh, subscribe now! Don't miss the next one!